Hi, everybody. It's Tina, and I'm here with, of course, oldest but goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. And this week's are the Snorks and the Flintstones. Well, we all know the Flintstones. The Snorks for me was another one I didn't watch, but look at the Flintstones. So I got Fred and Thelma? Yeah. Or was it Betty? I don't remember. Oh my God. Answer me. What was her name? Oh my God. You can tell I don't watch a lot of TV anymore. Fred and Wilma. Wilma! Yes. Wilma! That's it. There we go. So I got their house in the background and Fred's giving her flowers. And oh, his little foot got bent. There we go. And that's this one. The Snorks. I don't remember them. So I just got an image of them and their name, and I put all this bling around it and make it look pretty. That's the Snorks. So I want to thank you guys for watching. These are the ATCs for this week. I hope you guys are enjoying these. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, and be crafty. And bye for now.